Hello there guys, what is going on? Welcome to Pure Trading. I've released the beginner's course for market makers on YouTube. So that means you don't have to go onto the course anymore here to sign up and do the course. If you do it this way, you'll get an opportunity to do some assignments and I'll be able to check your work for you, and you might feel more confident that you've got the material really under your belt and that you know what you're doing. But if you're not into that, just head over to YouTube and then watch the course there. Where we are at the moment is I've released 4 videos so far. There's a number of them in the series. So the first one is liquidity, just to tell you why this method works and what the logic behind the method is. And then if you are a complete beginner, then this one is the one for you, the Forex, the basics. Then the next two is extremely important. That was last week, I think I posted these two. Forex market state analysis. This is the step that nobody does, and I think if you do this, it's going to vastly improve the chances of you making money in this game. So I've got 2 videos there explaining what the market state analysis is and how to do it. Now today's video is all about the trigger chart. Yeah, this is our 15-minute chart. We call it the trigger chart. The reason is because we found our zones on the daily, and now we are zooming down onto the 15-minute chart so that we can play alongside the big players, because I believe that the 15-minute chart is where the retail traders are, and where the retail traders are, this is where the big players wants to come and have some lunch. So the 15-minute chart, the 5-minute chart, this is where we want to zoom in. So the trigger chart is not the entries, stops and targets video. That's going to come in next week, so stay tuned for that. Also subscribe to this channel and then you'll get notified when I post these entry, stops and targets video. So the trigger chart has 2 separate videos there, and also if you do the course you'll be able to have a look at all that stuff there, but they are in the videos anyway. So there's 2 videos here that's going to be combined into one. So enjoy this one and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Once we have identified our trading opportunities on the daily by plotting our profit points, also by measuring our playing field, then we can start looking for our opportunities on the 15-minute. Now, our 15-minute, we need our RSI indicator, and we watch as prices comes down into the level, and we're constantly looking for divergent patterns. Now, if we look at this, for instance, prices has come down into the level and it's created a low and then a lower low. Just watch what RSI does here. Now the RSI is not showing a divergent pattern in this area, so there is no trade there. Prices are making even lower lows and the RSI is still showing lower lows, so there is no trading opportunity at all there. Then prices comes down and it goes right through the level of importance. But remember, on our daily we've had some more profit points that we've highlighted. Here again, prices makes a low and then the RSI is even going lower. So there is no divergent pattern there. Remember, none of the divergent patterns means anything anywhere else on the chart. Only at the zones of importance, only at the profit points. Let's follow price as it goes down. Then here, inside the profit point, we have a perfect example. Prices are making lower lows. Just look at what the RSI is doing at exactly the same points. It's a divergent pattern. So this is a trading opportunity. So after we've identified the zone, the profit area or the profit points, Then we drop down to the 15-minute. We could also look at an area on the chart where if our trade idea doesn't work out, where could we try again? And this area of or this zone or line in which we have identified where we could have a second chance, that could even act as our stop loss for our first opportunity. Let's have a look on the 15-minute how this one works out. Let's drop down to the 15-minute and watch price. As price approaches for the first time the profit points. The profit points identified on the daily. So prices makes a high and then a higher high. Then what we do is we look at our RSI at the same time. Do we have a divergence in this case? Yes, we do. So a small divergence there. And remember that our stop loss could be placed over there to be more prudent. Let's have a look at how this trade would have played out. Remember, I'm not showing you the entries yet. All I'm doing is showing you the 15-minute opportunities, how to actually find the opportunities. So from the daily chart, you look at the zone, and the first time prices hits the zone, that's when you start looking in this area for trading opportunities. This one worked out quite well as well. About 171 pips.